Are you and your colleagues in constant search of tangible samples to help in the product development process? My name is Nicole Lang. I'm the iglide product manager here at igus Inc., and I'm here to introduce you to our new igus sample corner. With the new igus sample corner, we're able to provide you with either working samples that are tailored to your particular project. We can also provide general sample boxes to give you an overview of the products that we offer, or we can provide industry-specific samples to help you in the product development process. We're able to restock the sample corners based on your needs. So if one month you'd like to have some newer products from us, or the next month you might want some industry-specific samples, or if you just run out of what we've provided before and need more of it, we're happy to come in and restock you. Some examples of the products that you might find on the DryTech igus corner would be our plain bearings, which are all dry running and maintenance free. We also have our PRT slewing rings. In addition to that, our dryland linear bearings, along with lead screws and lead screw nuts, as well as complete slide tables. We can also provide you with things like bar stock, which can be machined if you have machining capabilities for custom products, as well as our filament, which can be used with 3D printers and is made of the same wear-resistant material as everything else that we have to offer. Of course, we'd also like to display some of our ECS products. So with our ECS counterparts, we can ensure that you have some cable carrier or chain flex cable samples on your corner. We can do that by sharing the corner with them or by providing you with 2 sample corners. So if you and your engineering team could benefit from an igus sample corner, please reach out to your local igus salesperson or use the contact information below to get yours today. Thank you for watching.